Welcome to our newest listing in Waterfall Country Village Estate, the most expensive house on the market. I've just sold the most expensive house in Waterfall Country Estate, Gate 2, so I've moved over to Gate 4 to sell the most expensive house this side. But just specs on the house offers 4 bedrooms, you've got a staff room, beautiful views of the greenery, the lake, the clubhouse. The location is phenomenal, raft foundation. The house is one of the most beautiful houses you have ever seen. SPS Architects, please come inside, let me show you around.